Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Java integer division is tricky when swapping modulo for division. Analyze how this code change shifts the entire array sorting logic. In Java integer division, any non-negative number divided by 2 equals 0 only if the original value was 0 or 1. This means our new condition specifically targets those two values. The loop at line 12 now advances the index as long as it finds zeros or ones. This logic identifies the specific elements we want to move during the swapping phase. Repeating this process moves all zeros and ones to the list's end. This makes option C the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and follow steps to avoid rushing these tricky logic swaps.